Starting to the next topic is XML DTD. DTD stands for the document type definition or a declaration. Why DTD is used? DTD is used to present the syntax of a XML in a correct or a validated form. Whatever we write in the XML, and it is used to perform the validation, and it contains the list of the legal elements. मतलब जो भी हम XML में लिखते हैं, DTD is used to correct the element, and it is used to validate whatever the content we write in our in the declaration part, and it is used to describe XML language precisely, used to define the structure of an XML document. It contains the list of the legal elements, and it is used to perform the validation. The syntax of the DTD is the first line, same as a mandatory in XML, that it defines the document type. And the declaration, in this part we define our declaration 1, declaration 2, and square bracket close and angular bracket is also close here. And DTD, DTD is classified into two types, that is internal DTD and external DTD. Internal DTD elements are declared within an XML file, and external DTD elements are declared outside the XML file. It is just same like as the CSS, as we already discussed in our classroom. What is a CSS? That is a cascading style sheet. It is also very useful to create our web forms, very creative, in a very creative manner. And the syntax of this DTD is the exclamation sign, document type, root element, and element declaration. And the syntax of the external is the exclamation sign, type, root, element, system, and a file name. And this is an example of the internal DTD. Internal DTD, what we write first is XML version. This is a compulsory, that in which only XML version is written here, and the document type, here we discuss the document type and root element. What is a root element? Which is a parent class. Like document type, the parent class is called the address. This is a parent class. Address is a parent class, and this and what address contains the 3 elements. For example, if any person have an address, then address contain its name, its company name, its phone number. So we write here element name, and this is any data which we describe, that is hash PC data. PC data is a parsable data, that is called the data type which we defined. It is also called the mixed content of XML documents. Whatever the element we want to write here is it is called a data type. Second one is a element, same written as element. First we write address, name, company, phone, and now we write element name, element company. Same, all the data types are written same as here, and then the last one is a phone. And this section is called the DTD. This section is called the document type definition or document type declaration. And the next part is nothing but it is just closing the all the elements which we open here, like address, and what the content we write here is written in this space. This the same as a root element or the data type. Name, and start with name and closing angular bracket, company, starting and closing angular bracket, phone, closing, and the last is a address, which we start here is end with there with the closing angular bracket. So whatever the data type is written here, that should be compiled with upper data types in the whatever the data type written in this section. Whatever the data type is written in this section, that should be compiled with this upper data type in data type like parsable data type. Next one is a external data type. It is used to linking that kind of code which is written or which is placed in other file. For example, it is same as the external CSS, in which for example starting from the this add.dtt. What is dtt? It is add.dtt is extension file of a dtt, and all the code is written same here. What we said here, the code content which we write in this is placed same in this, and we just want to link this file in the other file, and we can create another file, that is XML file, document type address, and system add.dtt. This is a syntax of the external dtt. Whatever the data is placed here in the previous internal dtt is just, we in this section we just want to link the previous file to the new file. So what we write here, XML file, document type address, and system. What is system? System is a keyword which is a predefined, and add.dtd, that is add.dtd, and all the files is linked with this file. So this is the completion of the DTT. DTT is nothing but it is just document type definition, and it is used to correct the legal elements, and it is used to present the syntax of a XML in a correct or a validated form. Thank you for watching.